Michigan until 9 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belleville to Carlton to Monroe, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Taylor, Romulus, Flat Rock, Kenton, and Trenton around 8:10 p.m. Livonia, Dearborn, and Wyandotte around 8:15 p.m. Grosse Ile and Greenfield Village around 8:20 p.m. Detroit around 8:30 p.m. Downtown Detroit and Belle Isle around 8:35 p.m. Grosse Pointe around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Melvindale, Gibraltar, New Boston, Rockwood, Harper Woods, Westland, Grosse Pointe Shores, Ecorse, Grosse Pointe Woods, and Woodhaven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Michigan.
This concludes this message regarding the activation of the Southeast Michigan Local Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to 760 WJR for more information. Get ready.